Okay. Hello. Welcome.
Welcome to Umaga.
Umaga. Let's play. Let's play. So I just searched about that lack of over there meron 5. There's actually a secret lock from Latina. Never mind. Experiment. Hi Chichi. We just are a random stranger.
Herb or ano?
Herb.
Second idea.
Yes. Idaps. Then what idaps? What are you doing with the idaps there? It's mine. Hey, don't kill him. Double check. And my sister said that you can throw painted patient at a sister.
6, 7.
And also I need coffee for that banging guy over there. Right up here. Hey,
Coffee.
coffee. No. Hey, coffee. Alachi. Yan na. Okay. I want to find an anomaly.
Sure ka? Okay lang?
I think not.
It's fine.
Kinda want to give him a... Wait, what? Where did my... Am I... It did work? That's okay.
Okay.
So Jane, look! I can look at him.
Okay.
I guess I contact will work on him. Nope. Him or her? I know to give him! Yes. Let's get that. They are bad. No, I don't know. Oh no! They're not bad.
Ako din.
They are patient. they were patient by the doctor, and then the doctor experiment on them. I think, may theory. Theory. Because I thought that Tinasai is, I think all of them are also. By the way, do you know the stalker? Diba? The stalker. In the YouTube I saw, they say that Tina is the stalker. I don't know if it's true, but why is that? Why is she shaking? Copy! Copy, guy! Who have copy? This mine. Copy, copy ko. Copy ko. I guess this is mine na lang.
Welcome to Home Night.
We have a protagonist versus antagonist. On all of us
Haha, chichi. Sari-sari. Hey! Hey, go. Go.
Fine.
Ay, sorry. English. Why are you saying? Safe. Not, we're not talking about movie, we're just talking about stories. Why know that? The protagonist is Anna and the antagonist is the zombie and the bully. Bulilit.
Ano tawag niya? Humvee.
And the protagonist is the characters alive. And also the selfish guys are not protagonist, antagonist.
And guess what?
Hala, Chichi!
Protagonist versus antagonist. We have a protagonist versus antagonist in all of
We're gonna die because of Chichi!
number one. Protagonist, the hero, fight to survive. Number one. Protagonists are the heroes that are fight to survive. Lee Jong-un, brave and loyal to his friends, a protector. Nam On-jo, smart and calm to his
She shocked.
Namra, quiet
Never she quit.
becomes a hummy later, but still
Thermometer and verbs.
he is also the
She
love
quit.
interest of Nam
Yes.
Onjo.
Chichi quit.
Choi Namra. Quiet and smart, she becomes a hummy later, but still helps her.
Hello ring na siya.
Gusto mag-troll dahil.
Ha?
Gusto na mag-troll.
Oh.
Gating ka.
Hangga.
Quit. Distinguish ko. Under filler.
Ah.
Ipo nga.
Hi Japs. We have Chichi was a children right now. Don't listen to Chichi anyway. That helps Chichi. She shocks. Honey and maple and iDaps. iDaps bali? iDaps. Nope, medicines.
Mamahali!
Number room 2. Room 2 is not finished. Never mind, room 2 is finished. What? Oh, this one. I'm gonna troll you, chat.
Nice, died ko rin.
What? I didn't do anything.
Matapilik, bagbog ng harapan.
Hello. What's your name?
Baby.
Disco. 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 Woo, disco. Well, I get the thing. Wait, this can me.
Yeah, ang siguro.
Yun.
First, you just
Medicine only.
start with the
Medicine only. Ala, antibiotic. This is an antibiotic. It's only nasa Jerry.
all of us are dead.
Who's first? Take. I think iDaps is the best. So I'm gonna always hold iDaps. His mind. It's me. I'm the best. Then someone killed. I wonder who. She shocked.
Very often in our dear mom Edna Lindasanes. Before we begin, raise your hand if you have
Mine.
show of raise your hand if you watch the next show. All of us are dead.
I wonder what I'm gonna buy next.
Wait,
Is it okay? Okay.
Wait, a hole. Hole, bro.
Yes, it's okay.
We are going to look at the source in a whole new way.
I'll do it in the right.
The protagonist, the protagonist,
Where? I got it.
By the end of this, your understanding of
Text counter man.
this understanding
Ano ba yan, Dega?
natural type is like
Hey! He's bad! He's bad!
Wait lang.
He's bad! He pretending!
How?
yeah.
He put look at the cameras and the picture. He's black! He's black! No, don't talk to him! Don't talk to him! Give that to that guy and then go. You suck. You suck. Yeah.
Without a class, the kids get a story is boring. Did you agree, guys? Do you agree? Yeah.
Hello, Matthew.
Ratio here. Hello, Ratio. How are you? How's your sister? For me?
You agree, class?
One. No.
The person before and the antagonist before. Wait.
Oh, when you check. Oh my god, fire. Room what? Room 3?
Five.
The class is
Oh, so stupid.
standing in the way. Yeah.
What?
Let's talk about the protagonist, or the hero.
Enggak.
Let's talk about the protagonist or the hero. In the context, all of us are dead. Who are they? Our typical superheroes with
Where?
ordinary
Oh no.
and Andra, who are really forced to fight tests to survive the night. They are the story because they experience the use hand gestures, reverse aspect, holding hands. Mom,
Nothing nga. If there is fire in your life, I smell fire. You smell fire?
look at the slide for a split second
Nope.
to see your topic, then turn back to your audience to see
Burning. You smell
your
burning?
voice, drop your pitch, or slow down
You smell
when
burning?
talking about the dangers of
I smell fire.
attention and raise your energy in the introduction.
Saan to?
Look who is here.
I can see. I have. Inom ko. Hati ko sound. I bet inside the room there's someone gonna die. I knew it. Sorry.
How?
I bet there's someone gonna die in the room.
Every great story needs conflict. That the clash between two opposing forces the story is boring. Do you agree? Wait. The clash usually happens between
Oh, blue guy's bad. He's bad. He's very bad.
the person between the protagonist,
Okay, I'm going to
the
take a
person
take it lang.
and the antagonist. The person the force in their way. Between the person left for in the
Right?
antagonist or the force that is
What?
alright? Alright.
Who are the mutual?
Antagonist, the force or person is standing in their way. Alright? Yes, them. What? No? I'm studying.
They are the heart of the story because of the experience that they're through their time. Through their time. Grabe tatak ng tiyan. Dua matusiro.
No ambulance? Let's see the cause of deaths. The cause of deaths was antibiotic and medicine. They look the same.
About the
Copy who?
heroes on the left are the heroes on the
Barney? I think when you don't give Barney coffee, he won't give you the coffee machine. Like last time we played.
who are personally forced to find
Yeah.
death to survive the night.
Oh, ambulance.
Heart of the story.
Critical only. I'll take the surgery. Naman na take the surgery. Fire! You take the patient fire first. It's too much. Never mind, I don't take this guys in critical.
Kasi yun ang dati na dito.
Red.
After the classmate.
Green. Green. Yellow. Cyan. Cyan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. May pusip lang ang tinis mo. Five, go. 65. Oh no, we got died again. Take the last death. Died, bye-bye. We're dead again. Replay. Last one. That.
Especially our dear mom and the sign is before we begin, raise your hands
For I think it's
if
nice.
you watch this Netflix show. Netflix. Need to pronounce it perfectly, bro. Raise your hand
Okay.
if you watch the Netflix show. All of us are dead. You watch it, guys? Nah, shout out. Should be respectful.
Say na again. Say
na.
Smoky white. Nothing, bro. There's nothing.
Nigerian.
Can't I'll take him through. I'll give a job stress like that. I'll be in room 1.
Good afternoon,
I'm gonna take side up.
especially our dear mom and the
In the service.
Before we begin, raise your hand. Let's see. It's a Netflix show. All of us are dead. Alright. We're going to look in a whole new way, focusing on a classic battle. The protagonist versus the antagonist. Understanding of misconduct. Yeah.
As if you been a man falling in love.
Shush. Go kill him! Go kill him, Dajin! Kill him!
And the antagonist, the force or person who is standing in their way.
Nay, boy,
First, let's talk about the protagonist or the
guy.
heroes.
Longer,
As
the
are they. Who
beggar.
are they? They aren't any typical heroes.
How long is that take?
Superheroes with capes. They aren't. They aren't. They aren't typical. They aren't typical superheroes with capes. They are ordinary high school students like Johnson and they forced to fight just to survive.
Good guy, leaving. Bad guy coming in.
Now let's begin.
Excellent. What were you? You did not nothing. He's fine in the cams. I see no problem. Sir, I'm midnight wake. What came? Oh, come here, camera. Yes, I want to check in as a patient.
Before we begin, raise your hand if you've watched the Netflix show All of Us Are Dead.
Where's Barney?
Before we begin,
Sorry,
raise your hand if you've
it's my
watched
this my coffee
All
now.
of Us
It is Barney here.
Barney, hello again, You watch the Netflix show. Netflix show. And if you watch that show, All of Us Are Dead. All of Us are
What?
dead.
It's already?
Before we begin, raise your hand if you watch All of Us. Raise your hand if you watch the Netflix show All of Us Are Dead. Wow, amazing. We have one student only. Are you student, guys? Wait for hands to the face. Great! Today,
Hello, madam. Let's see your camera picture. Camera and picture.
Great! Today, we are going to look at the story in the We are going
Hello,
to
Bunny.
look at the story in a whole new way.
Did you inspect the picture? Yep, it's fine.
In a whole new way. So, focusing on a classic battle, the protagonist versus the antagonist.
It's bad.
By
Close.
the end of this,
Camera
the
issues.
of this concept will
You
be
are ugly.
perfect. Right?
You have no tail. You are ugly. Bad.
Perfect. Will be perfect.
Cams checking. Cam.
Introducing the
My
core
favorite
concept
cam.
of
He's fine in this picture. Hey, how are you? I'm very lovely. Some picture there and spec. He's fine looking. Here's your name tag as a patient. Double check Dana. He's fine. And then I will get 1 plus sanity for checking in.
Now, let's begin. And that is all, everyone. Thank you so much for listening and understanding of this project.
I haven't even
this
got
representation.
anything.
So, guys, I hope you
I
understand well.
didn't even get a
Thank you.
single patient.
Basta sa ganito.
Kill this guy.
na.
I want to kill this guy. I need kill this guy. I just need kill this guy. Suabe.
Nani? Wag ka na. Para ako si ma'am. Hoy, balik ko kung ka ba? Extra grades. Oh! Plus 20 points. 20 points? Kahit ipag-points mo din ng 30. Pansin, mabingo na pansin na.
Doctor's arriving again. This sucks. Please open the shop for us. Just give me time.
Kaya.
Kaya nga. Yeah, kaya. Ito subordinate. Oh, what's this? One carry. Never mind. One carry capacity. 55 pesos only. Wow. It's mine. It's mine. Thank you. Then, 2 cups of coffee here. And then let's put this one there. So that mix it up. Hey Smokey, Barney, I need you to kill. I got coffee. 2 cups of coffee already.
Yo,
Bakit check? Ah.
Bisa ko? Yo,
Bakit di coffee nga?
yo, bun. 감사합니다.
Drink ko dua.
감사합니다.
I did.
yo, bun. 감사합니다.
I got another coffee here.
So funny.
You evil. Not trust you.
Yun ang sabi word kasi.
Apa ko sa
It's evil.
Yo,
I got first photo minus salite.
everyone, thank you.
He hurt me.
Thank you, everyone.
He's giving me job stress plus curse photo.
감사합니다.
She sucks.
Okay. Yo, 여러분. 감사합니다. 여러분.
I've been room 1.
감사합니다.
Samniga.
Pag-pronounce ko doon.
Handsome.
여러분.
Hamida.
Samniga.
Hala!
여러분. 감사합니다.
Hanggang sa ngayon. Exercise ito. Naisip na.
Hey, you said handsome.
Ano yun? Black purpose for me dito yun.
When will someone need this thing? This thing.
Gusto na yan, bro.
This thing.
Ditad, bisab. Patik-tik lang din.
Wabe.
Big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, youngster.
여러분. 감사합니다.
No, girl, white. Who's color green? Oh, no.
Did you check camera? It's fine.
여러분. 감사합니다.
It's totally fine. It's not black. Yeah, carrot. I want carrot. I want carrot.
여러분.
On here. When will it burn down? I need fire. Middle. Blue. Red. Blue, red, green. Red. Wait, you can stand on this. Well, I wanna fly. Never mind.
Everyone.
What do you mean the soup is heavy?
Everyone. Hey.
You sit down. Where are you?
Yun isa.
여러분. 감사합니다. 여러분. 감사합니다. 여러분. 감사합니다. Everyone, thank you guys. Thank you so much talaga ma'am for your time. PRP make our life is so very very long and so
Can you see this?
at least they understood it.
Can you see that? I got eye drops for you already. Bandage and maple syrup.
Wala ka. Sana mo kuya leader next time. Pataw na leader. Hinang kita ano, big ambag lang. Big, like very very big ambag mo ka yun.
I'm so sad.
Very very excited pahalo.
I'll take the surgery so no one will die.
Let's take it together lang.
Curse photo.
I'll take IV and bandage.
I'll take heart, scalpel. What do you mean you take scalpel?
Ako na.
It's fine, ako minaan.
Hindi na yung Ben na.
Ano yan, biyala ako.
Makapas mo ka na stop. Ako na no. Cesar. Ready?
Wait, not yet.
Ako daw ang anak. Ready? Yan ako?
Yes, ready. Start. Jesus, yeah. Ako pa sa start, sorry.
Ako na.
Antibiotic. What? I know, you can. I get it. Scalpel, ako na. Scalpel again, eh.
Ako na Ivy. Such a great surgeon.
Eh.
For newbie, but for practicing, ano, hindi mo na.
What do I do with this heart?
Oh no.
Hello, Barney. I have coffee for you. You want? 1, 2, for you.
Temple day.
Couple?
Ako na.
Ako. You're cute in the picture, you know? Can I keep this? Can I keep this? I want this cute picture. No! Late!
I got it. I will give you some.
I would like to give him this cute heart. Because, you know, titibag picture. Oh, it's mine!
Me.
Oh?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ay, today.
What?
Tapusin na ako sa inyo.
Kusi?
Sa fish ko?
No?
Pwede itit ko yun.
I don't know.
Hindi na mag-game baka na. Hindi na mag-game baka na.
Habagi?
Grabe, pang ina Barcelona. Yung balis ka. Wow! Ngurigam dyan na. Director.
Kaisis.
What? That's a very one, eh?
That already did that serpent. Yung blue to detect.
BAM! BAM!
Oh my.
Red talaga yan. Scan yan. Red color yan.
Yeah.
What if teacher sabi siya, hey, what if teacher si Barney?
What?
Teacher, tapos ba, masama ko.
Hindi? You tried that?
Sabi na mo niya coffee.
I can buy this. but I can on. This one? This one? Okay.
Dragon na gusto mo.
Hindi ka ba init?
Ayok daw.
Wow.
Pipil na.
Magam lagi.
Serpent na talaga.
Hindi taken dog by this way.
No.
Please don't die.
No. So talaga? Ano nang nagsigil nga? Mari.
My clothes. Okay, wait. Hey, kill him. Where are you going? Do. Camera. I don't see him. He's on the ground. He's flattened on the ground. Look the camera. Yes, sure. Go, say. We taste monster. For fun. I don't know, check. If I got check.
Yeah, fine.
How about the photo? Yeah, please fine. Ah, I see.
English presentation. Good afternoon, classmates, and especially our dear mom.
Who got coffee? Ate M.
Yay!
Wait, where's Ate M going? What? Never mind. She drank it. She was holding it. It was like, let's too funny.
Please.
It's okay, we still get one here.
If you watch the Netflix show, all of us are dead. Please if you watch the Netflix
He looks the same. Just check camera though. Checking camera.
please raise your hand.
He's fine.
If you watch
Register.
the show, the Netflix show. Please raise your hand. If you watch
What's the lowest
the show, all of us
You know
are
what?
dead. Please.
Couple? Oh, couple. Kind of coffee.
If you
Coffee.
watch the Netflix show, all of us are dead. Please. Raise your
Emergency,
hand
by
if
the
you
way.
watch the
Where?
Netflix show, all of us
Capacity?
are dead. Are dead. They're all dead.
No.
Great.
You can kill anybody you want.
We are going to look at
Goodbye.
in a whole new
It's okay?
way. In a whole new way. Whole new.
Yeah.
In a
Basta.
whole
Napik
new
photo.
way.
Kill everybody. Anybody. Oh, wow. Woo.
And I antagonist.
Seven.
Fire. 7. Kumain ka doon. 8. Left. Ano man?
They all three guys.
Okay. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
The protagonist, the person you look for, and the antagonist, the force or person or the hero.
Antagonist.
Or
There's coffee, by the way. Coffee. I'm fine. How about you? What?
They aren't seven. They aren't
67?
typical support
Bako,
students.
56.
They are
Attend daw,
ordinary
attend.
high school students like Chongsan and they are the heart of the story. Because we experience and now let's begin.
I go roommate.
Now let's begin.
Sergio,
Now
you are evil. You said Dracula.
now
I think it was doctor.
begin. Start from
Sure, why not? Hey, Tomo, I don't trust you. No. I'll take this room.
the protagonist.
Need transplant. Bandage. Medkit. Heart. I got heart.
The protagonist.
Heart. I got antibiotic. I got scalpel. Antibiotic.
And the antagonist, the force or person that is standing in their way. Hey, hands up, all shall bow and right. Hey, money. Your step will understand of this concept will be perfect.
So,
Alright?
I want to taste this guy. Can I?
Every good story needs conflict.
Why do you stay here every day?
Forces, a story
Up
is
not, I need
boring.
to,
The clash usually
I need to
happens.
see.
The,
Need to
the
know.
clash usually happens between the
They have
protagonist
mouth.
and the
Is there's no
antagonist.
patient
The
there?
protagonist,
If
the
there's
person who
any
root for,
patient
and
there,
the
I need to
antagonist,
find the
the
room of
force
the.
or person that is standing in your way.
I need to find it.
The force or person
Other fish
and
there.
the force or person, first black person here, the force or person standing in their way. The force or person that is standing in their way. First,
Why?
as our dead. They aren't typical.
90.
Huh?
90.
Ano yan?
They aren't
27%.
typical superheroes with capes.
What?
They are just ordinary
I don't know.
high school
Do it
students
twice, ha?
like Chong
Doing
Sang
me right.
and Onjo. Chong Sang and Onjo. Like Chong Sang,
Thermometer.
like Chong Sang and Onjo, who are suddenly forced to fight just to survive the night. They are the heart of the story because we experience the terror through their
Wait a minute. How many deaths?
And
Zero?
now-
None? Yay.
And now, what you want to play? Anomaly.
Who's evil guy?
Yeah, they let anomaly.
I heard evil guy. Whoop.
You will teach me?
I didn't.
Yeah.
That sucks so much.
Wait, I'm gonna study. I'm gonna read this all first, okay? Just wait for 5 minutes.
Bilang, by the
You
way.
follow me.
Take the worst timing.
And then I will leave and then you go.
Yeah. His eye protects me.
Ultra. Patient. Throw the fated patient na. Throw them.
She's like the leader of the
Yes,
group.
throw them the trash.
Lee Soo Hong.
No one will know. No one will know.
Lee Soo Hyung or whatever
Yes.
you call it.
Busha said.
Tall and strong. He protects
I got that one.
Tall and strong. He protects Onjo.
Sige pala ka.
I don't know how to
Okay.
pronounce his name by the way. Choi Namra. He's quiet and smart because the family later but still helps her friends. The villains is not just zombies. The villains, antagonists or the villains. It's not just the zombies. Some humans are all enemies. Antagonists or the villains. It's not just the zombies. Some humans are also enemies. Lee Byung-hun, the science
I got
teacher
this.
who created the Jonas Fire.
Number four.
But caused the
Number 2, okay.
outbreak.
Number 2.
The zombies, the infected people. who
Maple.
got infected-
Stop, no.
Who got infected, they want to eat humans.
No.
The zombies got the zombies that infected who got
No, I don't want to return.
who got infected.
I don't want to return.
People get infected, they want to eat humans. The military government, they want to bomb the city to stop the virus even if they are survivors. The school bully becomes a special infected zombie and is very wild.
Ah, that's sad. No, there's no more. I can't wait. I'm already in the lobby. They should make it not go back to the lobby. There should be a spectator. Or be a ghost and watch them.
여러분 감사합니다. 여러분 감사합니다. Everyone, thank you so much.
I'm medic. I
여러분
can buy this one. Buy this one.
I don't want
it. Like that.
여러분 감사합니다.
How much that? I can't see it.
Everyone, thank you so much for listening.
Level 1.
여러분
I don't know.
Go to my chat.
It's like a new game. Different game than this one.
Go to my chat, please.
Bye bye.